What's up, guys? This is the brand new vacuum cleaner Laresar. So let's see what. Let's take a redundant look what inside the box. First of all, as I mentioned before, this is a vacuum cleaner. Also provide the quick instruction. It also can be a little bit redundant for you because every single information right here is needed your ASAP as you bought this is vacuum cleaner. Also, pay your attention that you can mail to the support just right away if you need some question, if you want to ask some question. But anyways, I don't really think that you will have some problems with this because it's so easy. Protection foil, the manual with brusher to brush something, the garbage or maybe the foil from your vacuum cleaner, and the aluminum pipe. Also, interesting information about this pipe. It's, as you see, it's you can make your own angle. What you need to do with this. Right, and this is adjustable. You can also vacuum in like hard places you cannot reach it out. There's supposed to be a second brush, 2-in-1, because this brush head is also adjustable for sweeping and for vacuuming. So the second pipe for really difficult areas on your, for example, on your sofa or angles somewhere. Also, it's really important. Also, you can use it if you have your own car. We have a wide head brush right here with LED lamp. Of course, it's really convenient when if even you're using your light at home, how can you see this the garbage under your sofa, right? So it's very convenient, and also this head has adjustable angles. Then the lithium battery, you can charge it separately. Not really heavy, and I think it's really convenient to use. Also, this exact the vacuum cleaner, and yeah, it's so really convenient to use in your home. The hook, you can put it at a convenient place to use, and every time just forget about these boxes, and maybe you have a small room or live with your roommate. Of course, it might be really convenient because everything happens in your life, and you can really use it so fast as well. Then the vacuum cleaner. Here, what can we see? The first, take a look right here. The white display. You can see the modes, and of course, if the vacuum cleaner is on, so you can see the power and the exact mode. This button is power mode, and the adjustable button that you can unfold the dust cap. Oh yeah. So right there, what can you see? First and second protection. So you can just wash it in your on your sink, right? You can just wash it and put it down. You can just throw the garbage out and wash it. That's so easy. Then the charger. That's what it is. Okay, the battery can be installed easily. I will power up this vacuum cleaner, and we can see the battery level and the exact mode that we're using right now. As you see, 50% eco mode. adjustable brusher. Long pipe. Short pipe. That's what it is.